In this video, I will show you how you can record your tutor video. So first, let's see what all the prerequisites required. So first we need laptop, and secondly we need Pentab and OBS Studio and OneNote software. So Pentab, which will be provided by LearnyHigh, and talking about OBS Studio, it's a open source platform where you can record your audio and capture your display and also capture your video, right? And OneNote is a writing software where we can use it for writing a content or for the explaining purpose, right? So alternative for OneNote is PPT or Google Whiteboard, and you can use the other alternatives as well. With these prerequisites, let's see how we can connect a complete technical tools for recording our video. Firstly, in Google, search for OBS Studio. Click on this first option. And here, if you are using Windows, you can click on Windows. So automatically you will be redirected to the download. And here the OBS Studio will be installed. Once you install OBS Studio, you will get an icon like this. So click on this. Once you click on OBS Studio, you will get an interface of software like this. Secondly, let's connect a Pentab to laptop. Let's do it manually. Once we connect Pentab manually to our laptop, we'll get an icon like this, like Windows Ink Workspace. With that, our Pentab is all set to explain or write the concepts on the display. So next, let's see the software which we can use for writing, and that is OneNote. And now let's search for OneNote and click on this. If you are new to this software, it asks you for login. Then first step will be login, and once it's done, you will get an interface like this where you can start teaching here, right? So let me show you how exactly it goes. So this is just an example. So like this you can start teaching, and you also get options here to type the things, like let's say, see, like this you can start even typing, and also you can integrate some PPTs or some images into this particular OneNote software, right? With this you can start explaining, right? So now let's see how we can exactly record this display and the audio we are actually speaking out, and also the video of ours, right? So it's recommended to even record your video to keep audience interactive. And now we'll go to OBS Studio and see how we can actually record all these things. All right. First, we have to record the display, right? We have to capture the complete display. So here, can you see a plus option? So you can add a display capture here. So look at this option, display capture, and you can add. So click on OK, so that your complete display will be captured. So recommended is 1920 into 1080, so that this resolution will be great, right? So we have to capture the cursor, right? So let's click on S. So then let's click on OK, so that our complete display is captured. So whatever you write here on OneNote will be captured, right? So now the second option comes with the audio. Whatever we are speaking, that should be recorded, right? So that we'll click on audio input capture. So if you are using a default mic, you can click on default or the mic which appears here, and you can click on OK to set. Let's keep it all the default settings here to be very much optimized and clear, right? Now the audio, whatever we are going to speak out, will be recorded. Now display is captured, audio is also captured, and the remaining thing is our video, right? So to capture our video, click on the plus button and you will get to see a video capture device. So once you click on video capture device, your video will also be recorded, so that the audience will be much interactive. And now with this, let's start recording. So click on start recording so that our recording will be started. So you can go to OneNote and start explaining or teaching out here. So let's say, so A plus B is equals to C. So this is an example. Like this, you can start explaining. Like this, we can record a complete tutor using OBS Studio, Pentab, and laptop, and the software, that is writing software called OneNote or any alternatives of this. So that's it about a complete setup of this tutor elements, and thank you for watching.